Welcome to IT Assembler, your destination for practical IT knowledge and hands-on tutorials. Here you'll find step-by-step guides on Microsoft 365, Active Directory, Windows Server, networking, Azure, Intune, Exchange Online, SharePoint, cybersecurity, and enterprise IT solutions. Whether you're an IT beginner or an experienced administrator, IT Assembler helps you learn, troubleshoot, and stay ahead in the world of technology. Subscribe and join the journey to build, manage, and master modern. Hi friends. In this video, I will show you how to import the HWID, which we downloaded from a device, upload the file to Windows Autopilot devices. Hope you have watched my last video, which helps to download the HWID from a PC. Before we set up the Autopilot or Intune enrollment, name records needs to be updated on DNS Manager for our domain, so that our devices can locate our Intune server and get the updates. I have already updated by name records. For Windows Autopilot device setup, open Intune portal. Select Devices. Go to Windows, then select Enrollment. If you scroll down, you can see Autopilot Enrollment and Windows Autopilot device settings. Click on Upload and select the file. Wait for some time, system will show. Hope you like my video and understand the steps. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Thanks for watching and please support.